Temperatures are currently in those 40s across the Wiregrass. 47 here in Dothan, Marianna also at 47. 44 for Enterprise and Ozark. Troy sitting at 49. Down on the coast, a little bit warmer, 42 in Panama City. I say a little bit warmer, and then I picked the lowest one, 42, but 58 over there in Destin. And I'm not fully buying that. It might actually be a little bit cooler over there, but taking a look at the rest of the southeast, not as cold as what we saw last night, so that's some good news. We're seeing 43 in Atlanta, 39 Birmingham, Nashville sitting at 37, Jackson, Mississippi, 43 degrees, so a little bit more bearable. Our dew points, though, are a little bit on the drier side, but I don't think too many of us are complaining. And so whenever you look at this more on the yellow side, that's kind of, you might need to get some lotion out, some chapstick. That's kind of what that means, that it's not super humid, so the air is very dry out there. And whenever it's dry and cold, you definitely start to feel it. But good news is we're not seeing any rain on the radar. So even though the temperatures are lower and the humidity is pretty low too, or at least we're not seeing any rainfall, not seeing a lot of cloud cover either. And that goes for most of the southeast. North of Birmingham, they're seeing a little bit of cloud cover, but most of us are relatively clear. I'm expecting that to stay the same overnight tonight and tomorrow morning. For our Monday, we're going to start off in those lower 40s, upper 30s in some places. Then we see a little bit of cloud cover come into play by the afternoon, but we're going to be in those 60s by noon. So definitely a change in pace of what we have been seeing. And I'm going to say we're going to top off in those middle to upper 60s by 3 p.m. That's when I'm expecting us to see the high. And then that cloud cover kind of moves out of our area, and we're going to be clear again tomorrow night, and we're going to drop off into those 40s again. Gulfcast for tomorrow, those beach flags, I'm thinking green. I never put green on there, but it's looking pretty calm out there. It might turn yellow in the afternoon, but those winds are going to be 5 to 10 miles per hour. Those bays mostly smooth. Water temperature, though, 58 degrees, so definitely not warm enough to go in the water, at least for my point of view. But tonight, I think we're going to bottom out in those upper 30s. Some places will still be in those lower 40s, but overall 39 is about a good average for us. 67 tomorrow, mostly sunny, and we're not seeing a chance of rain. That's coming later this week, but the first 3 days, we're going to see mostly sunny skies, upper 60s, lower 70s on Wednesday. Small chance of rain Thursday, but the main threat comes Friday, and that's when we're going to see a lot heavier rainfall as a line moves through and colder air behind it. So we have a cold front coming in mid-morning Friday, and then that rain's going to be in front. Then we can see cooler temperatures Saturday and Sunday for our weekend, but better sky conditions. So that's some good news. And Abby, I almost missed it today. I forecasted 60 yesterday. The actual high was 63, but we still got within the 3-degree guarantee. So Alvin Smith from Dothan, Alabama, you are our winner. Congratulations.
I will say it's nice to see, that 70 degrees, even though we do have some rain, but it's like Alabama weather just likes to, dangle the nice weather in front of us.
Oh, yeah.
And then they're like, never mind.
I know exactly what you're talking about. Fingers crossed, though. Yes. It doesn't do that.
All right. Thanks, Emily. Coming up.